I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to build your Sig Sauer. And the last video I forgot to show you what these two parts were. You want to keep the spring and this part because it makes the gun fire.
Here, let's get a close-up.
So these little parts right here, these two little parts, and so yeah, and I also told you to keep track of this little spring right there. So the first step that you would need to do is the parts that you would need is your barrel, the little spring, and the safety check. So what you would want to do is you would want to connect the spring onto the little circle right there, and you would want to get your safety check and put it on top. And right here you'll see that there is a little notch, and that notch goes under like that. Okay, so that is one completed part for the slide. The next part that you would need would be these two parts. So right here on this spring, there will be two coils coiled together. You'd want to slide them on like so, and so that's all. These are the only parts that you need for your slide. So the first step that you would do, you would right here there is a little hole in there, and right there you'd want to get your little spring and black part, and one second, it got stuck. You'd want to slide it down in here, and you'd want it to get aligned like that, and you'd want to push it through like that so it's sticking up like that. The next part, you'd want to get your barrel, slide it in like that. Oh, dang it. So it would take you a while, but so the next step, well, before you just do this, keep on trying the same thing. And once you would do the same thing, you just keep on doing the same thing. But if you mess up, it's okay. I messed up a ton of times before. God dang it.
Okay, we're